So the clinical trial agreement is also known as CTA or site agreement. So this is a legal binding agreement between the site and the sponsor, or the site and the CRO, if the sponsor has delegated that duty to CRO, and the if on the other hand, if the site wants the PI to sign the contract, the PI will be signing on behalf of their institution. So this contract needs to be reviewed carefully so that there is a fair balance, a fair and in a fair manner, in a transparent manner, everyone gets what they deserve from the trial. So whatever the work the site is doing for the trial, they make sure that it is being compensated as per their expectation. There should be no hidden procedures or that is not being mentioned, and later it comes up and the sponsor is not ready to pay for those services. So that's why it is very important for the site to go through the contract very carefully and make sure that it is a win-win situation for both of the parties. So what is present in the contracts? When we see the clinical trial agreement or the site contract, in this, all the details will be in writing. And this, once this contract is being signed, then only this trial will be initiated. So in this contract, the description of the project. Description of the project is description of the study, that what type of study it is, and how long this study will be conducted for 3 years. In 3 years, what all procedures will be performed, and what all activities will be performed at particular time point, how many examinations will be conducted by the investigator team. So that all is now how many number of patients will be participating, and so all this detail about the details that you see in the protocol is going to be summarized in the scope of work or the description of the project. So that information is important to justify that the amount that the PI is getting for the study is a right amount, is a justifiable amount. So it is important to add the scope of work that will be done by the trial team.